Yang, take you yan. Once again.
Sa ikasampung anibersaryo ni Yang Constantino at Yana Asuncion, muling nagpakasal o ang tinatawag na renewal of vows. Ang kasal nga nila noong taong 2015, ni-recreate nila ngayong 2025. All white noon, ngayon naman ay all red. Mas lumalim ang pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa. Talagang effort din ang muling pagpapakasal kasama nga nila ang mga matatalik na kaibigan at family. Napapagitnaan nga ng pusong hugis ng ayos sa mga upuan ang bride at groom. Ang cute din ng wedding dress ni Yang at ang kanyang red bouquet na full of roses. Araw nga ng puso ang kanilang kasal, saktong-sakto sa Valentine's Day. Mas naging sweeter ang kanilang anniversary dahil 2-in-1 celebration na nga kasi ito. Sabi ni Yang, 10 years ago I made a promise to love and cherish you through all life's joys and challenges. Little did we know our journey would be filled with moments that would test our love and our patience to each other. Ang kanilang renewal of vows ay kanilang selebrasyon sa kanilang pagmamahalan. 10 years is so strong. Maraming nalagpasan bilang married couple. Sabi ni Yang, family is the foundation of our marriage, and we're grateful for the bond that ties us all together. Thank you for being our forever cheerleaders. Sabi pa niya sa kanyang asawa, most of all, I love you for being my rock, my partner, and my best friend. Here's to many more years of love, laughter, and adventure together. I love you for who you are and for who you helped me to be.